Mathematics class 12 chapter 9 differential equation. In the last class we have written the steps to solve the first order linear differential equation. Let us recall them. Number 1 is you have to write the differential equation in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are constants or functions of x only. Then second, you have to find integrating factor, which is given by e power integration p dx. After finding in integrating factor, the solution is given by y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Suppose your equation, first order linear differential equation, is of the form dx by dy equal to p1 plus p1x plus equal to q1. Then in this you have to find the integrating factor equal to e power integral p1 dy, and the solution will be x into if equal to integral q1 into integrating factor dy plus sc. So using this we shall solve the next exercise. Exercise 9.6. For each of the differential equation in exercise 1 to 12, find general solution. Number 1, dy by dx plus 2y is equal to sine x. Now we have to compare this with the standard first order linear differential equation, that is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Then when you compare here, p is equal to 2 and q is equal to sine x. So I have written here p is equal to 2 and q is equal to sine. You have to compare with this. Dy by dx equal to p, that is 2, y equal to q, that is sine. Now integrating factor is given by e power integral p dx. P value is 2, so put in e power integral 2 p dx. In 2 is constant, take out of the integral, so you get 2 integral dx, and integral dx is x, so e power 2x, that is the integrating factor. And the solution of this kind of first order linear differential equation is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. So integrating factor is e power 2x, put e power 2x, here also e power 2x, and q is sin x, so put sin x dx plus c. Call it number 1. Now this part I'll call it as I, and I integrate by parts. So sin x as it is, integral e power 2x dx minus integral derivative of sine, that is d by dx of sin x, into integral of e power 2x dx, and integral the full thing. Sin x as it is, integral of e power 2x is e power 2x divided by the coefficient of x, that is 2, minus derivative of sine is cos, into integral of e power 2x is e power 2x by 2 dx. Again you have to integrate, and we'll again integrate by parts. This 1 by 2 I am taking outside. Now here again I am going to do, so cos x take as a first and e power 2x as a second. So cos x as it is, integral e power 2x minus integral derivative of cos, that is d by dx of cos x, into e power 2x into dx, and integrate the full thing. And this I am just bringing here, but I have just rearranged e power 2x by 2 and sin x. Bring this as it is, minus 1 by 2 cos x, e power 2x integral is e power 2x divided by 2, minus and minus plus 1 by 2 integral derivative of cos is minus sin x into e power 2x is e power 2x by 2, that integral dx, minus transfer here outside and 2 here multiply, so 4. So you get 1 by 4 integral sin x e power 2x dx. And from these first two I am taking e power 2x common, divide by 2 common. Okay, from this e power 2x by 2, e power 2x by 2. Here remains sin x minus 1 by 2 cos x, and this is as it is. Okay, I multiply 2 into 2, 4. But this is nothing but your I. Okay, sin x, integral sin x e power 2x. So take this as I. So I have written 1 by 4 into I. And this I will transfer over here. So it becomes plus I plus 1 by 4 into I equal to e power 2x. I am taking LCM here. So 2 sin x minus cos x, and this 2 denominator I am bringing and multiplying with 2. So 4. And here this I have transferred here. And then now here you take LCM. So 4 into 1, 5i by 4 equal to, this is as it is. 4 cut and 5 transfer, it will go in the denominator. So e power 2x by 5 to 2 sin x minus cos x. Now put this value in equation 1 here. Okay, instead of this integral, because this integral we have found separately. So you put in equation 1 y into e power 2x, y into e power 2x is equal to e power 2x by 5. This value I am putting. 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. Okay, Now e power 2x I am transferring here, so when you transfer here e power 2x and here if I transfer it will cut, but here it will go in the numerator and I am taking the numerator as power minus, so e power minus 2x, and this is as it is. Here e power 2x will cut, divide by 5. So this is the solution for the first order linear differential equation. Question number 2, dy by dx plus 3y is equal to e power minus 2x, comparing with the standard linear differential equation. Okay, see here one thing is that the coefficient of dy by dx has to be 1. Okay, so dy by dx plus py equal to q. If it is not 1, you have to make it 1 by dividing or multiplying what is extra here. Now here you compare, so 3 equal to p and q is equal to 2 e power minus 2x. P equal to 3, q is equal to e power minus 2x. Now integrating factor is given by e to the power integral p ds. Integral p value is 3, so in 3 I am just taking out of the 3 integral ds is x, so e power 3x is the integrating factor. Now the solution is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor ds plus c. Y integrating factor is e power 3x, put the value, is equal to integral q value is e power minus 2x, so put e power minus 2x. Integrating factor is e power 3x ds plus c. You can combine together, minus 2x plus 3x gives you e power x dx plus c, and integral of e power x is e power x plus c. This side is y e power 3x. Okay, this side transfer here, I get y is equal to e power x divided by e power 3x plus c divided by e power 3x. This I can combine, x minus 3x gives you e power minus 2x plus c. This I just take it numerator and make it power negative, e power minus 3x. So this is a solution for the given differential equation. Question number 3, dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x square, comparing with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So p is equal to 1 by x and q is equal to x square. This y should be there, okay, py, so 1 by x into y it will be. So p is 1 by x and q is x square. Now integrating factor is given by e power integral p dx equal to e power integral p value is 1 by x dx. Integral of 1 by x is log x, and here e, so e to the power log x, then e and log will cancel each other, so answer will be x. Okay, this you have to remember, that if you have got e and log, okay, like this, e to the power log x, then log and e will cancel each other, so answer will be x. Okay, so e and log are inverse of each other, therefore when e power log x comes, then e and log will cancel and remains only x. Okay, that you have to remember. That is also property of exponential function and logarithmic function, so this answer will be only x, so integrating factor is x. Now the solution of the given differential equation is y into integrating factor equal to integral q integrating factor into dx plus c. So integrating factor is x, I put the value y into x is equal to q you have taken as x square, and integrating factor is x, so x dx, so x into x square gives you x cube dx plus c, and integral of x cube is x power 4 divided by 4, x power 4 divided by 4 plus c. If you transfer x here, you get y is equal to x cube by 4, because 1x will cut and here remains c by x. So that is a solution for the given differential equation. Question number 4, dy by dx plus sec x y equal to 10x, comparing with dy by dx plus p of y is equal to q. So here p is equal to sec x and q is equal to 10x. Okay, writing here. Now integrating factor is e power integral p ds, so e integral sec x ds, and integral of sec x is log sec x plus 10x. E and log will cancel just like this. Okay, e and log will cancel each other. So here instead of x you have got sec x plus 10x, so you write here sec x plus 10x, so that is my integrating factor. The solution is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y integrating factor is this, put the value sec x plus 10x equal to integral q value is 10x, so integral 10x, and integrating factor is sec x plus 10x plus into dx plus c. So integral, I am just multiplying here, integral 10x sec x dx plus 10x into 10x is 10 square x dx. This integral is sec x, and this we are using the trigonometric identity 10 sec square minus 1. Okay, 10 square using trigonometric identity sec square minus 1 dx plus c. Sec is as it is, sec square integral is 10x minus integral of 1 is x plus c. Now here this side is y sec x plus 10x equal to sec x plus 10x minus x plus c. So So that is the solution for given differential equation. Question number 5, cos square x dy by dx plus y is equal to tan x. As I said before that coefficient of dy by dx should be 1. So you have to divide by cos square x to each term to cancel this and make the coefficient 1. So when I divide by cos square x, here remains dy by dx alone. Plus when you divide here y by cos square x equal to tan x divided by cos square x. Now comparing with the standard equation of the differential equation of linear differential equation, that is dy by dx plus py equal to q. Comparing this, here y is there, so p is 1 by cos square, that is sec square. Okay, 1 by cos square can be written as sec square x, and q is equal to tan x divided by cos square x. So q is equal to tan x divided by cos square x. Now integrating factor is equal to e integral p dx. E integral p is sec square x dx. Integral of sec square is tan x. So e power tan x is your integrating factor. The solution is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Put the value integrating factor y into e power tan x is equal to q. Q is tan by cos square. Tan by cos square can be written as tan into sec square x into e integrating factor is e power tan x dx. Okay, here I will take substitution method. Take tan is equal to t. Differential tan as sec square x dx equal to dt. So sec square x dx will get as a dt, tan x as a t, and e power tan x means e power tan. So I substitute here y e power tan x. I am not substituting this side. Okay, I am substituting only right hand side. So integral here t, then e power t, and sec square x dx is dt. Okay, now you have to do integration by part here plus c. So t as it is, integral e power t dt minus integral derivative of t, that is d by dt of t, into integral of e power t dt into dt. T integral of e power t is e power t minus derivative of t is 1 and integral of e power t is e power t dt equal to t into e power t as it is minus integral of e power t is e power t plus c. Now put the value back of t value back. So y e power tan x and t you have taken as tan x. So you put tan x into e power tan x minus e power tan x. From both you can take e power tan x common. Here remains tan x minus here remains 1 plus c. Now transfer this e power tan x, so it will cut here. So y is equal to, here remains tan x minus 1, this will cut. And here it will come in the denominator, take in the numerator with a negative sign, negative power. So e power c into e power minus tan x. So this is the required solution for the given differential equation. Question number 6, x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square log x. Here also dy by dx has a coefficient x, so you have to divide by x because it should be 1. So I divide each term by x, so here remains dy by dx plus here 2 by x into y equal to, here divide by x, 1x cut, so x log x. Now comparing with dy by dx plus py equal to q. So p value is 2 by x and q value is x log x. I have written here. Integrating factor e power integral p dx is equal to e integral 2 by x dx. 2 is a constant and 1 by x. 1 by x integral is log x. 2 you take as a power, so you get e power log x square. E and log cut, so you get equal to x square. Okay, so integrating factor is x square. Now the solution is given by y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Put the value y integrating factor is x square equal to integral q value is x log x, so x log x into x square dx plus c. This can be written as log x, and x into x square is x cube dx plus c. You have to do integration by parts. Log x first function, x cube second function. So log x as it is, integral x cube dx minus integral derivative of log, that is d by dx of log x, into integral of x cube dx and integral the full thing. X cube integral is x power 4 by 4. Derivative of log is 1 by x, and integral of x cube is x power 4 by 4. I have written here log x power 4 by 4 minus 1 by x power 4 by 4 dx plus c. 1 x you cut, so you get here x cube, and this 4 I am taking out. This is as it is, and integral of x cube you have to do once again, which gives you x power 4 divided by 4 plus c. Now here we are taking LCM 16, 4 into 4 16, so I am taking 16, and here I multiply by 4, and x power 4 I am taking common, divide by 16. Here 4 log x, why? Because 16, so I need to multiply by 4, and here remains 1 plus c. This x square you transfer here, so x power 4 divided by x square remains only x square by 16, and here 4 log x minus 1 and c by x power 2. Take x power 2 in the numerator, which you are transferring here, it gives you x power minus 2, and this is the required solution for the given differential equation. Question number 7, x log x dy by dx plus y equal to 2 by x log x. Here also coefficient of dy by dx is x log x, not 1. So you have to make it 1 by dividing each term by this value. So I divide each term by this value. So here remains dy by dx plus y by this divide x log x equal to 2. If I divide, then x into x square and 1 log will cancel. Log x will cancel. Comparing with the standard equation, that is dy by dx plus py equal to q. So p value is 1 by x log x and q value is 2 by x square. I have written here. Now integrating factor is e power integral p dx. E power integral p is 1 by x log x. So dx divided by x log x. Here I will use substitution. So log x I will take as t and differentiate. So 1 by x dx equal to dt. So dx by x will take as a dt and log x as a t. I have written here integral e power integral dt by t, and this integral is log t, and here e power log t, that means only t, and t value we are taking as log x. So put t value as log x. So integrating factor is log x. Now the solution of the given differential equation is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Put the value y into log x equal to q. Q value is 2 by x square. So 2 by x square log x dx plus c. You have to integrate by parts, but x square you can take as x power minus 2. Log you take as a first. So log x integral 2 by x square dx minus integral derivative of log, that is d by dx of log x into integral 2 by x square dx and integral the full thing. So I am just writing this, taking the numerator log x integral 2 x power minus 2 dx minus these two I am just keeping here, integral derivative of log is 1 by x, and if I take this x square in the numerator, I will do differential integral as x power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 gives me x power minus 1 and divide by minus 1. So this integral will be minus x power minus 1 dx. Okay, and this x power, this also take up, so it will give you x power minus 2 plus c. Okay, now here I am going to integrate. So 2 log x here, and x minus 2 is x minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Okay, integrating x power minus 2, and here x power minus 2 integral, again that integral is the same, and here what you will get is 2 log x power minus x, that can be taken as a denominator and positive sign of the power x, and this negative just taking in front. So 2, and here also same way, x power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. This becomes minus, and this will give you 1 by x, so 2 by x. So you get here this side is y log x plus equal to minus 2 by x log x minus 2 by x plus c. I am taking minus 2 by x common, so here get plus log x, here becomes plus 1 plus c. Okay, so this is the required solution for the given differential equation. Equation number 8. 1 plus x square dy plus 2xy dx equal to cot x dx. Here you have to first write as dy by dx. So first I am transferring this dx term over here, it becomes negative, and taking dx common from both. So cot x minus 2xy dx. Now dx transfer here, and 1 plus xy transfer here. Okay, so I am transferring, interchanging dx here and this one here. So I have written here dy by dx equal to cot x minus 2xy divided by 1 plus x square. Divide these by 1 plus x square and 2x by divide by 1 plus x square, just separating the denominator to first and second term. Okay, now I'll transfer this y term over here. Okay, so it becomes plus, this negative, not because of negative, this y term is there, that's why I'm transferring here. So divide by dx plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square y equal to this one, cot x divided by 1 plus x square. Comparing with dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, see, py has to be there, that's for y term I have transferred. So p value is this much and q value is this. So p is equal to 2x divided by 1 plus x square, and q value is this, cot x divided by 1 plus x square. Now let us find integrating factor is given by e power integral p dx. E power integral 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. For this I'll take denominator as t. So 1 plus x square is equal to t. Differentiate 2x dx equal to dt. So 2x dx equal to dt, and this as a t, and integral of this is log t. E and log cancel, so t, and put the value of t, that is 1 plus x square. Therefore the solution of the given differential equation is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Put the value, integrating factor is 1 plus x square equal to integral q. Q is cot x divided by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square dx plus c. 1 plus x square cancel. You get here integral cot x dx plus c. Integral of cot is log sin x plus c. Now this 1 plus x square transfer over here, it will give you negative sign. If denominator you take in the numerator with a negative sign. So y is equal to 1 plus x square power minus 1 into log this one sin x plus c, and here also when you transfer it will come here also, you are taking with a negative sign in the numerator 1 plus x square power minus 1. So this is a required solution for the given differential equation. Question number 9, x dy by dx plus y minus x plus xy cot x equal to 0. I transfer all this here, so dy by dx plus first I am dividing by x, okay, coefficient of dy by dx is x, so I am dividing by x. So dy, so here y by x minus here x by x is 1 plus here cut x, so y cot x equal to 0. Now I transfer all this over here, so you get dy by dx. Before that, from these two I am taking y common, okay, so dy by dx plus y taking common, so here remains 1 by x plus cot x, and transfer this here, so you get plus 1. Okay, so minus 1 you transfer here, only minus 1, sorry, okay, you don't need to transfer everything, you need to transfer only this one, but from here you take y common first. Now compare with dy by dx plus px py equal to q. So p value is this one, 1 by x plus cot x, and q value is 1. Integrating factor is e power integral p dx equal to e integral p dx is this 1 by x plus cot x dx. 1 by x is log x plus cot x is log sin x, and this can be combined as log x into sin. So e and log are, so answer is x into sin x. So integrating factor is x into sin x. Now the solution of the given differential equation is y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Put the value x into sin x equal to integral x sin x into 1, q value is 1, okay, so put 1 dx plus c. Now you have to do integrating by parts, x sin x. Keep x as a first function, sin as a second. So x integral sin x dx minus integral derivative of x, that is d by dx of x, integral of sin x dx, integral the full thing plus c. Integral of sin is minus cos x minus integral derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Integral of sin is minus cos x dx plus c. You have to do this once again. This I am writing as minus x cos x plus minus a minus plus integral of cos is sin plus c. X sin x I am transferring this side, so you get minus here x cos x divided by x sin x plus sin x divided by x sin x plus c by x sin x. Then you can cut x, here remains cos by sin, which gives you cot x, here minus, plus sin cut 1 by x plus c by x sin x. So that is the required solution for the given differential equation. Question number 10, x plus y dy by dx equal to 1. So this will transfer in the denominator, so you get dy by dx equal to 1 by x plus y. We can't simplify as like this, py, okay. So what we are going to do, take a reciprocal here. So dx by dy is equal to x plus y, okay, because we can't separate this value, so we are taking reciprocal both the side. So dx by dy equal to x plus y. Now here x is there, na? So you transfer this x term here, so I get dx by dy minus x is equal to y. Now this is of the form dx by dy plus px equal to q. Okay, we can take p1 and q1. Here I have just taken p and q, but it is in the, this is the constant, either p and q are here constant or functions of y. Okay, here it is opposite to the previous one. So comparing with this, so p is equal to minus 1 and q is equal to y. Now integrating factor is e power integral p dy. Okay, the previously it was integral p dx. Okay, integral e power p dx, and here integral p dy equal to e power integral p value is minus 1 dy, and integral of minus 1 is e power minus y. Solution of the differential equation is given by x into integrating factor. Now here x will come equal to integral q into integrating factor dy plus c. Put the value, e integrating factor is e power minus y equal to q. Q is y. So y into integrating factor, that is e power minus y dy plus c. You have to do by parts. So y as it is, integral e power minus y dy minus integral derivative of y into integral of e power y dy into dy. Integral of e power minus y is e power minus y divided by the coefficient of y, that is minus 1, so here minus integral derivative of y with respect to y is 1. Integral of e power minus y is e power minus y divided by the coefficient of y, that is minus 1, so minus here plus c. Again you have to integrate this, so and this side remains x into e power minus y equal to here minus y e power minus y minus a minus plus. You have to do e power minus e power minus y once again, that is integral is e power minus y divided by coefficient of y, that is minus 1. Okay, so minus plus c. From these two you can take minus e power minus y common. Here remains y, here remains 1. Okay, taking minus, so this becomes plus y, and here becomes plus 1 plus c. Now e power y, if you transfer here, it will cut here, and here it will go in the denominator. So you get x is equal to minus, this is cut, y plus 1 plus c divided by e power minus y. Then you can take in the numerator, and this negative term I am just transferring over here and making it plus. So x plus y plus 1 equal to c into e power y. This is the required solution for the given differential equation. Equation number 11, y dx plus x minus y square dy equal to 0. Let us rearrange, transfer this over here. So minus x minus y square dy. Transfer dy here and y over here. So you get dx by dy equal to minus x by y plus y square by y. This gives you this minus x by y, you transfer over here, so you get dy by dx plus x by y equal to y square by y, so y. Now comparing with dx by dy plus px equal to q. So here p is equal to 1 by y and q is equal to y. Yeah, correct. Now I have written here, now integrating factor e power integral p dy equal to e power integral 1 by y dy. Y value is 1 by y, and integral of 1 by y is log y, e and log cancel, so y. The solution of the differential equation is x integrating factor equal to q integral q into integrating factor dy plus c. Put the value, integrating factor is y into, equal to integral q is y. So put y, and integrating factor also is y, dy plus c, and y into y is y square dy plus c. Integral of y square is y cube by 3 plus c, and this value transfer, so you get x is equal to y square by 3 plus c by y, and that is the required solution for the given differential equation. Equation number 12, x plus 3y square dy by dx equal to y. So this you transfer over here, it will go in the denominator, dy by dx equal to y by x plus 3y square. Take the reciprocal both the sides, so dx by dy is equal to x plus 3y square by y. Divide x by y and 3y square by y. So you get x by y plus 3y. This one now you transfer over here, so you get dy by dx minus x by y equal to 3y. Comparing with dx by dy plus px equal to q. So p value is minus 1 by y and q value is 3y. Integrating factor is e power integral p dy equal to e power integral p value is minus 1 by y. So minus 1 by y dy equal to e power minus log 1 by y is log y, and minus you take as a power, so log y power minus 1, e and log cut, so you get y power minus 1, which is 1 by y. The solution of the given differential equation is x into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dy. Put the value, so integrating factor is 1 by y, so x by y equal to integral 3y into y. This is 3y, okay, q value, and integrating factor is 1 by y or y power minus 1, so this gives you y power 0. That means 3 into integral dy plus c. Integral of dy is y plus c. Transfer this y over here, it will go in the numerator, so x is equal to 3y square plus cy, and this is the solution of the differential equation. Each of the differential equation in exercise 13 to 15 find particular solution satisfying given conditions. So in these questions you have given the conditions and you have to find the particular solution. That means c value you will find. Dy by dx, question number 13, dy by dx plus 2y tan x equal to sin x, given that y is equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 3. Comparing with dy by dx plus py equal to q. So p value is 2 tan x and q value is sin x. Integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx, e power integral 2 tan x. So integral tan x. Integral of tan x is log sec x, and 2 power you take up, so e power log sec square x, e and log cancel, so sec square x. So this is your integrating factor. The solution is given by y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Put the value, y into sec square x equal to integral q value is sin x, so sin x into integrating factor is sec square x dx. This sec square I am writing as sec by cos, so sin by cos can be written as tan x into sec x, and this integral is sec x plus c. Call it number 1. Now use the condition given that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 3. So put y equal to 0, so this part is 0, equal to sec x. So sec x is sec x equal to pi by 3, so sec pi by 3 plus c. Sec pi by 3 value is 2 plus c, so c value is minus 2. Put in equation 1. From equation 1, y sec square x equal to sec x minus 2. Here just putting the value as 2. Then the sec square transfer here, so you get sec x by sec square x minus 2 by sec square x. sec by sec square gives you 1 by sec minus 2 by sec square can be written as 2 cos square, and 1 by cos can be taken as cos x. So y is equal to cos x minus 2 cos square x, and this is a particular solution for the given differential equation. Question number 14. 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 2xy equal to 1 by x plus x square, 1 plus x square, given that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. You have to have coefficient of dy by dx as 1, so divide each term by this one, 1 plus x square. So when you divide here, you get dy by dx plus 2xy divided by 1 plus x square equal to this side 1 plus x square is there, and you are dividing once again, so it will come double, or it will come the square, so 1 plus x square whole square. Now comparing with dy by dx plus py equal to q, so p value is 2x divided by 1 plus x square, and q value is this one, 1 divided by 1 plus x square whole square. Integrating factor is given by e power integral p dx equal to e power integral 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Now here I'll take substitution method. Let denominator, that is 1 plus x square is equal to t, differentiate 2x dx equal to dt. So 2x dx equal to dt I put, and this denominator is t, and this integral is e power log t, and e and log cancel, so t and t value is 1 plus x square. So this is your integrating factor. Solution of the given differential equation is y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx. Okay, let us put the value. So y into 1 plus x square, that is integrating factor, equal to integral q value is this one, 1 plus x square whole square. So 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into integrating factor is 1 plus x square dx plus c. One time you can cut, so you get integral dx divided by 1 plus x square plus c, and this integral is tan inverse x plus c, coordinate number 1. Now use the condition given that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. So put the value. When you put 0, left hand side is 0. You put here 1, tan inverse 1, and tan inverse 1 we know it is pi by 4. So c value is minus pi by 4. Put this in equation 1. So you get from equation 1 y 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse s, and instead of c minus pi by 4. So that is the particular solution for the given differential equation. Question number 15. dy by dx minus 3y cot x is equal to sin 2x, given that y is equal to 2, x is equal to pi by 2. Comparing this with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So p value is minus 3 cot x, and q value is sin 2x. Integrating factor e power integral p dx equal to e power integral p value is minus 3 cot x. So minus 3 cot x dx equal to minus 3 cot x integral is log sin x. Minus 3 take as the power, so log sin x power minus 3, and e and log cancel, so you get sin x power minus 3. This is your integrating factor. Now the solution of the differential equation is given by y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Put the value. Sin x power minus 3 equal to q value is sin 2x. So you put sin 2x, sin x power minus 3 dx plus c. Now sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x, and sin power minus 3 taking in the denominator as a positive, sin x into sin square x. That cube written as 2 and 1, and sin cut, 1 cos by sin gives you cot, and 1 by cos remains, that gives you cos x dx plus c. Now integral of cot x cosec x is minus cos x plus c, and here y sin x power minus 3 minus 2. Call this equation 1. Now use the given condition that y is equal to 2 when x is equal to pi by 2. So put here x is equal to pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2, and y is equal to 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1, so 1 cube equal to minus 2 into 1 plus c. This also is one answer. So minus 2 transfer here plus 2, so c value is 4. Now put this value in equation 1 in this. So you get y sin x power minus 3 equal to minus 2 cosec x plus c. C value is 4. Also I am transferring sin x power minus 3 over here. So here minus 2 divided by sin x, and this I am transferring, so sin x power minus 3. This is product, okay, equal to 4 by this you transfer sin x power minus 3. This take in the numerator with a positive sign, so 4 sin power 3x, and here this you take in the numerators of minus 2 sin x power 3, and here this cosec x is written as 1 by sin, so 1 sin cancel, so you get minus 2 sin square x plus 4 sin power minus 3 x. So that is the solution for question number 15. Question number 16. Find equation of curve passing through origin given that slope of tangent to the curve at point xy is equal to sum of coordinate of the points. You are given that the slope of the tangent, that is dy by dx, at point xy. So dy by dx, and it is equal to sum of the coordinate of the point, that means equal to x plus y. Okay, y you transfer over here, so dy by dx minus y is equal to x. Now comparing with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So p value is minus 1 and q value is x. So p is equal to minus 1 and q is equal to x. Now integrating factor is e power integral p dx is equal to e power integral minus 1, so minus integral dx. Integral dx is minus x. So this is my integrating factor. Solution is given by y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Put the value e power minus x, here y equal to q is taken as x, so x into e power minus x dx plus c. Integrating by parts. Take x as the first, so x into integral e power minus x dx minus integral derivative of x, that is d by dx of x, integral e power x dx, and integral the full thing plus c. Integral of e power x is e power minus x and divide by the coefficient of x, that is minus 1, so multiply by minus 1. Divide by minus 1, it comes minus because it is minus 1. Minus derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Integral of e power minus x is e power minus x and divide by coefficient of x, that is minus. Minus a minus plus. Again when you integrate, it will be e power minus x divide by the coefficient of x, that is minus, so minus it come. Take e power minus x common. So minus e power minus x, here remains x plus 1 plus c. Then now we are given that the curve passes through the origin. That means you have to put the point 0 0. That means given that the curve passes through the origin 0 0, that is x in xy equal to 0 0. So here put 0, so this part is 0. Here put 0, so e power 0 is 1. Here 0 plus 1, so here remains 1. E power 0 is 1, so it is minus 1, and if you transfer c here, that is minus 1. So you get c value as plus 1. Now from here y is equal to, I am just transferring here e power minus x divided by e power minus x minus x plus 1 is here, and plus c value I am putting 1 by e power minus x. This is cut, so here you get minus x plus 1, and this you take in the numerator, make it positive sign e power x. Transfer this over here, so becomes positive, so I write x plus y plus 1 equal to e power x. So that is the solution for the given differential equation. Question number 17. Find equation of curve passing through 0 to, given that sum of coordinate of any point on the curve exceeds the magnitude of slope of tangent to the curve at that point by 5. So by condition, sum of the coordinate of the point xy equal to slope of the tangent which exceeds 5 times 5, so plus 5. Now slope of the sum of the coordinate point is x plus y equal to dy by dx plus 5. Okay, now this 5 I am transferring here and y I am transferring here, so I get dy by dx minus y equal to x minus 5. Now comparing this with dy by dx plus py equal to q, so p is minus 1 and q is x minus 5. Now integrating factor is e power integral p dx equal to e power integral minus 1 dx gives you e power minus x. This is the integrating factor. The solution is given by y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Put the value y into e power minus x equal to integral q value is x minus 5 into e power minus x dx plus c. You have to integrate by parts. So this is first function, this is second function. So x minus 5 as it is, integral e power minus x dx minus integral differential of x minus 5 into integral of e power minus x dx, integral the full thing plus c. E power minus x integral is e power minus x divided by the coefficient of x, that is minus 1, minus integral differential of x is 1 and 5 0, so here remains 1, and integral of e power minus x is e power minus x divided by minus 1 dx plus c. This minus a minus plus, and you have to integrate this once again. This minus c bringing here x minus 5 e power minus x plus integral of e power minus x is e power minus x divided by the coefficient of x, that is minus 1 plus c. So this becomes minus 1. Now take e power minus x common. I am taking minus of e power minus x. So here remains x minus 1, x minus 5 plus here remains 1 because minus I am taking common plus c. Now e I am transferring here, so y is equal to minus e power minus x by e power minus x minus 5 plus 1 gives you minus 4 plus c by e power minus x. This gives you minus x minus 4 plus c e power x, call it number 1. They are given that the curve passes through the point 0 2. That means instead of x you put 0 and instead of y you put 2 in this number 1. So I put here 2 is equal to minus, instead of x 0, 0 minus 4 plus c e power 0. E power 0 is 1, so c. And here minus a minus plus 4. Transfer here minus 4. So minus 4 plus 2 equal to c. So c value is minus 2. Put this value in equation 1. So you get from 1 y is equal to minus x minus 5 4 plus c e power x, c value is minus 2 e power x. this minus multiply, so minus x plus 4, minus and minus plus, just rearrange. Y is equal to 4 minus x minus 2 e power x. So this is the required equation of the curve. Question number 18. If integrating factor of differential equation x dy by dx minus y equal to 2x square is, they have given us the option. Let us calculate first. So x dy by dx minus y is equal to 2x square. Here you need coefficient of dy by dx should be 1. So divide each term by x. So here you get dy by dx minus here 1 by xy equal to 2x square divided by x. So x 2x remains. Comparing with dy by dx is equal to py equal to q, you get p value as minus 1 by x and q as 2x. I require only this because they have asked you to find integrating factor. So integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx equal to e power integral p value you put minus 1 by x dx. So 1 by x is log x and this minus remains. This minus you take as a power, so e power log x power minus 1. So e and log cancel, so you get x power minus 1, which can be written as 1 by x, and that is the correct option, that is option C. So integrating factor of this differential equation is 1 by x. Question number 19. Integrating factor of differential equation 1 minus y square dx by dy plus yx equal to ay is. So here also the coefficient of dx by dy should be 1. So divide by this number to each term. So here it remains dx by dy plus here y divided by this one, 1 minus y square x equal to ay divided by 1 minus y square. Now here comparing this with dx by dy plus px equal to q. So p value is this one, y divided by 1 minus y square. This is q, but I require only p, so I take only this. So integrating factor e power p dx, sorry, it will be py, okay, not dx, it should be y, convert it to y. It's not it's the other kind, not the first kind, this is the second kind. So it is py dy. Put the value of p, that is integral y divided by 1 minus y square dy. This integral will take by substitution. So take denominator as t. Differentiate, so minus 2y dy equal to dt. Minus 2 you transfer, so it gives you y dy is equal to minus 1 by 2 dt. So y dy is equal to minus 1 by 2 dt, and this is t. So I have substituted here e power integral minus 1 by 2 dt by t. Then 1 by dt integral is log t, and this minus 1 by 2 constant, coefficient remains constant, remains as it is, take as a power. So my putting the value of t first, 1 minus y square, and take this as a power. So you get here e power log power 1 minus, sorry, log 1 minus y square power 1 by power minus 1. This is not power, okay, then it's just write it as a 1 minus y square to the power minus 1 by 2, okay. So log and e cancel, so you get 1 minus y square power minus 1, and this minus 1 by 2 power, that power if you take in the denominator it becomes plus. So 1 by 1 minus y square power 1 by 2, and this 1 by 2 power can be written as a square root. So 1 by square root of 1 minus y square, and that is the correct option, and that option is option D. So option D is the correct option. We'll keep this mind. Thank you very much.